Hey, what's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. The body beat down here, Michael, on this Tuesday morning. Getting some breakfast going. Little bit of breakfast, guys. So, it's been a long few days, guys, at this new house. Long few days. Got a lot that we've done and a lot more that we got to do. So, let me straighten that camera up a little. I never can tell what it looks like. Maybe that's better. I don't know. So, on today's agenda, we're going to be putting a wide coat of mud on the room, and also trying to get this bacon out of this package. On a side note, this kitchen's a little nicer than the last one that we had, right? Let me put this in a microwave. Give me just a minute, guys. It's hard to do two things at once. It's hard to talk and cook. But anyway. Let's fix that. That thing goes off if you breathe on it. That's what she said. So this house does come with some issues. It's not perfect. And neither was the last house that we got out of. This house does have a wire problem in the kitchen, like our other house did. This house has plumbing issues, like our other house did. Probably not as bad, I guess, but it has old school copper, whatever plumbing, and that's garbage. And so we're looking at getting it all replumbed. It'll be about $3,000. So we're looking at getting it plumbed. And we're looking at, I've got a guy who Mike can help me figure out what's wrong with the overload in here, because if you run too much, it pops a breaker. So seems like there's always a problem, you know. But always gotta have my mandarins. Y'all ready for this? Dang it. Y'all ready for this? God. I don't know. I don't feel like I'm ready for the circus. Can't get my hands going today. Whew. Anyway. There you go. That's all you get. So. Anyway, yeah, we're going to be getting the mud kicking chicken in there in that room. And I'm done with all the cutting and the nailing and the screwing around and all this other stuff. And it's good to just be knifing. So, good stuff. Ready to get it going. Michael, what in the tarnation are you doing, brother? It steams it, gets it super hot, super quick, and it'll get the tops done really quick and hopefully keep the yolk yolky. Oh yeah. Want me to juggle it all? Nah, I better not do it. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to sit down and eat. I hope you have a good Taco Tuesday. Speaking of which, I might have some ground turkey tacos tonight. We'll see. Going to get busy on the room after I finish my breakfast, a little coffee. And everybody have a good day. Do something healthy for yourself inside and out. Also, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the Body Beatdown. Me, Michael, your incredible host. Get up, get out, get ready, do it, and stick around because I'll also post a video later of a little bit more mudding action. So, see y'all later.
Get up, get out, get ready, do it, do it!